Picture this. You're at your desk with your morning coffee. Your manager needs a comprehensive report on AdventureWorks sales performance across all regions, product categories, and customer types, and she needs it by the end of the day. Your heart races as you think about the vast amount of data you'd have to sift through, scattered across numerous files, databases, and systems. But you don't panic. You remember that Microsoft Power Query can help. With Power Query, you know you can efficiently connect to multiple data sources, transform unclean data, and create a structured dataset for further analysis in Power BI. This video explores the capabilities and benefits of Power Query. You'll discover how Power Query helps you connect to multiple data sources, clean and transform data, and create structured and repeatable data preparation workflows for efficient data analysis. Microsoft Power Query, more commonly known as Power Query, is a data connectivity and data preparation tool built into Microsoft's Power BI suite. It plays a crucial role in the data analysis process by enabling you to connect to a wide range of data sources, clean and transform the data, and then load it into Power BI data models for analysis and visualization. Power Query streamlines and automates the process of preparing data for analysis, making it easier for you to gain valuable insights from data. Power Query is designed to handle the extract, transform, load, or ETL process, an essential part of any data analysis workflow. Let's explore how Power Query can help with the ETL step. Extract. Power Query can connect to various data sources, such as relational databases, Excel workbooks, CSV files, web pages, and more. Once connected, you can select the specific tables or datasets you want to work with. Transform. With the data loaded, Power Query provides a user-friendly interface for cleaning and transforming the data. You can perform various transformations, such as filtering, sorting, merging, splitting, grouping, and aggregating data. Load. Once the data has been cleaned and transformed, Power Query loads it into the Power BI data model, where you can further analyze, visualize, and share. Power Query is particularly useful in the following scenarios. Connecting to multiple data sources. Power Query simplifies the process of connecting to any consolidating data from different sources into a single dataset for further analysis. Cleaning and transforming data. Power Query provides a wide range of tools and functions that help you clean, reshape, and transform data into a structured and usable format. Automating data preparation tasks. Power Query records the steps you take when transforming data, creating a repeatable and editable process. This feature not only saves time by automating repetitive tasks, but also ensures consistency and accuracy during data preparation. Structured and collaborative workflows. Power Query's ability to record and edit transformation steps makes it easy for you to share data preparation workflows with colleagues. Power Query also promotes a structured and repeatable approach to data preparation. As you perform transformations, it records these steps in an applied steps pane, which allows you to review, modify, or delete any step in the process. This makes it easy to fine-tune your data preparation workflow and ensures that you can consistently reproduce your results. To illustrate the ability of Power Query, let's return to your task of creating a sales performance report for AdventureWorks based on all sales regions. In this situation, your data is scattered across various sources, such as Excel spreadsheets, CSV files, databases, and even web pages. With Power Query, you can easily connect to these different sources, extract the relevant data, and consolidate it into a single dataset. Once you've connected to your data sources, Power Query provides a user-friendly interface that allows you to perform various data transformations, such as removing unwanted columns or rows, splitting or merging columns, changing data types, and filtering and sorting data. Power Query is ideal for extracting data from various sources, cleaning and transforming it, and then loading it into a Power BI data model for further analysis and visualization. This enables you to create a comprehensive AdventureWorks sales performance report, breaking down sales by region, product category, and customer type, just as your manager requested. Part of the Power BI suite, Power Query, is a versatile and powerful data connectivity and preparation tool. By connecting to multiple data sources, cleaning and transforming data, and creating structured and repeatable data preparation workflows, Power Query helps you at each stage of the ETL process, turning raw data into valuable insights that drive informed decision-making. As you continue to work with data and explore the world of Power BI, Power Query will become an indispensable tool in your data analysis toolbox.